Child, where are we going?
We're going to see the arcade machine. Get it all for quarters.
Quarters? Well, you're in for a real treat. We're going to feed the chickens.
Yay!
Alright, we're out here.
Yes.
We came all the way out here to
Let's go.
Thriftway. Never find a more wretched hive of scum. Villainy. We must be cautious. What you got, kid?
Here's our talking chicken machine. And get out it. It's $1 a play.
Oh, they don't have the eggs though. What they got? What's the prize?
It's like tattoos.
Tit.
Here we go. Put it in.
Put it in. What'd you get?
I got the Wonder Woman one.
You got a Wonder Woman one?
Yeah.
Nice. Straight. It's not the classic one, but at least he's got the chicken.
Yes.
We still got the backdrop there with the farmer. He's so proud of that prize chicken.
Alright, ready? Oh, it's already going.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
We drove all the way out here to the Thriftway, barely parked, because we had good info about this guy. You see the chicken?
Yes.
So let's see what I get, huh?
Alright.
Superman!
Oh, wow.
Let's go put our tattoos on.
Right. Bye.
Well, that was interesting.
Yeah.
Had a crazy schizophrenic guy screaming in there, and they had to bounce him out. I should have got some footage of it, but I didn't want to be rude.
Yeah. It was interesting.
That was interesting. What else you get that was interesting?
Well,
We don't usually see on our side of town.
Some cool, like, Fanta. We got cotton candy and, like, an orange one.
That's Fago, baby.
Fago. What
Yes.
am I saying?
Well, you know.
I like how they have the coolest labels. It's like one of my favorite parts.
We got
And the chicken eggs.
a chicken egg. Only I wish they had the egg, but you got enough of the experience, right?
Yeah, they had it randomly bark when they were like, get ready, and like the chicken would bark randomly like
Bop, chicken, bop, chicken head. So it was fun. We appreciate the info to come down here and see one in person, even though it was not the classic, but at least it still exists out here.
Mm-hmm.
So thanks, Nikki.
Yeah.
Yay.